Show you how to do the streaking background that is on your piece. It'll look like this. It's very simple to do. We're going to take Blue Mist and Olive Green, both by DecoArt. I'm going to make a little watery puddle first of the green, just a little watery puddle, and we're just going to streak it on. You can turn your brush sideways. This is just a crappy little brush, just something to get color going and filling up the background so it's not this big white thing. Let that go. Clean your brush. Make a little puddle of the blue. And then just streak back and forth. I'm kind of using the chisel, but I'm also letting it be a little flat on there as well. Just looking for a little bit of color. Have all the background. Get a little bit more blue right there. Maybe a touch more green. And that's it. Okay?